Welcome to Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And on today's menu, we're going to have my delicious, easy, and famous macaroni and cheese. And if you haven't had my macaroni and cheese, you definitely better slap yourself. And make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, a half of this Philadelphia cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, a half of this box of elbow noodles, 1 cup of sour cream, a half of this chicken stock, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, and a half a bag of this Mexican cheese. And when I get my elbow noodles in the pot, I'll be right back. And now, you guys, I'm about to show you how to mix this good old macaroni and cheese together. I already boiled my macaroni noodles, elbow noodles. I already put my 1 stick of butter in here, and I already put my 1 tablespoon of garlic powder in here. Now I'm going to put my 1 tablespoon of onion powder, like that. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, my 1 tablespoon of parsley, and mix this together. Mix all this together just like this. Just mix it together. Smells good already. I didn't even put the cheese in it yet. Mix it all together now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the melted cheese. I already melted my cheese as well. I'm going to pour it in here just like this. Pour it all in there just like that. Just like that. Told you it's easy cooking with Don Juan. Easy cooking. Just like that. Now you stir it around. You just stir it around. Make sure everything gets nice, incorporated, and mixed well together. You see that? I put my cheese, when I melted my cheese sauce, I put my half of block of the Philadelphia cream cheese in here, which is 4 ounces. And I put 1 cup of sour cream in here. And I put 1 cup of Mexican cheese in here. And I put a half a block of my Velveeta cheese. And I melted it all together. And this is what you see. Oh, it smells good and it looks good. And when I get it in my baking dish, I'll be right back. Now, you guys, I'm about to put this beautiful macaroni and cheese in my baking dish. And I cook this macaroni on medium heat for 13 minutes till it got al dente. And it will cook the rest of the way in the oven. Now, this is how you layer your macaroni and cheese. You put it in there just like that. Look at that, nice and cheesy. You stretch it out. Stretch it all out like that. Then you put your Mexican cheese, because you got about 5 different types of cheese in here. That's why I like to use Mexican cheese. And you sprinkle it all out just like that. Then you get some more macaroni and cheese. And you put it on top of here just like that. Just like that. It ain't hard. It's just easy cooking. But delicious. Yes, spread it out just like that. Make sure it's on every corner. Then you get your cheese, Mexican cheese. Then you layer it just like that once again. And put some more macaroni cheese on there, just like that. Oh, yes. Spread it all out. Spread it out just like that. Yes, which is nice and even. And put the rest of your Mexican cheese on here. All on the edges. All on the edges. Yes. All over the place. Just rubbing on there. Yes. Oh, yes. And I'm going to put this in the oven on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And when it's golden brown and done, I'll be back to show you the finished product of this delicious, easy, famous macaroni and cheese. Now, I'm back to show you all the finished product of my easy, delicious, and famous macaroni and cheese. And this is a special request by Knobs, because he asked me to do a macaroni and cheese. Well, Knobs, there you go. Look at it, y'all. Delicious. Tasty. Oh, that looks fabulous. And if you want more easy cooking with Don Juan, all you gotta do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call my